Hi, Bev again. Another video. Now this one, I had a question on drinking milk. Okay, and this is covered in my book in a lot more detail. Do you drink milk for bone health? Okay, let's look at the content of an 8-ounce glass of cow milk, okay? 305 milligrams of calcium and just shy of 27 milligrams of magnesium. So there's a huge imbalance here. Let's see why that's problematic. First of all, you need magnesium to fully absorb and metabolize calcium. And if you have excess calcium in your body, it's considered toxic. Okay, your body always wants to be in balance with everything. And toxicity will add body fat cells because it doesn't want anything toxic near healthy cells, so it has to contain it somewhere, and it just stores it in body fat cells. And if you don't have enough, it just makes more. So the other fact is that the chemical breakdown of lactose sugar found in cow milk decreases the absorption of magnesium. Okay, so we're back to this, making this issue even worse. And the fact is, half of your body's calcium content is stored in your bones, so you need calcium. Bones are a living tissue. You need to replace that calcium. So, as I say, this may sound awesome, but because of this imbalance, it's a problem. So what to do? Well, personally, I don't really drink a lot of milk, but if you do, that's fine. But what I would suggest is that you take calcium and magnesium supplements. Now, you can get them in one pill, but be careful of the ratios. You should have a 2-to-1 ratio. 2 calciums for every 1 magnesium. So for example, I take 300 milligrams of calcium along with 150 milligrams of magnesium, and I do it twice a day. I buy the citrate one, not the oxide, because the citrate, calcium citrate and magnesium citrate are much more bioavailable for your body. Okay? Hope this helps. So don't be drinking milk for calcium and for bones. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.